For install Laravel, we need install Composer. In continue our requirement, I need install Composer. Install Composer. For install Composer, I click in Composer and see Dependency Manager for PHP. New version of Composer, Composer 2 in this month published. For download and C package, click on Browser package, and for download click on download. Okay, in Browser package, all package in GitHub we can access our Composer. For example, type Laravel. Okay, and see Laravel on packages.org and see Taylor Autel and installation and other in final version of Laravel version 8.4.1 on Composer. Okay, for install on Composer on Windows, just download Composer setup and click and download Composer setup and open installation. Okay, install for all user and developer mode and install next Composer and next install. Okay, wait to install. And other system we can install very simply with PHP. Just copy for line and paste on command line or terminal. Okay, installation finish. For test Composer install on system, open command and type cmd. Okay, cmd type write Composer and enter. Okay, we see Composer version 2 and other method of Composer. In this project I'll use method require for get Laravel package and Laravel of GitHub and update and and dump autoload and I or install.